Hi guys, I got the Cotton Cuts Mystery Clue number 6, and there's 10, so we are getting really close. I am doing the small, and my colorway is this one. Let's build it. Alright, so this month in my packet, I got my pieces. I've gone ahead and put the little 6 sticker on it because this will be block 6 when I'm all done, and I have the sticker in my hand. It also comes with a block of the month, so that's what this is. It also came with a nice pretty little pen, and I did get their Cotton Cuts Notions box, and I had gotten a pen like this already, and look how pretty it is. It's rose gold with this pink, and it's a nice pen. So now I have another one. I'm guessing because it's the December, we're around Christmas, that is why I have that. Anyway, part of my pet kit that was mailed out included 2 of these. Now I'm assuming they are finishing kits or maybe borders, but the fact that I have 2 that look exactly the same, I'm a little puzzled. So I'm just going to put them aside and wait for them to tell me what to do with them. So that's extra. Now Cotton Cuts, it is a monthly subscription for a mystery quilt. We don't know what it's going to look like until we're all done. We do know this month's block is going to look like that. And it looks like I am making 2 of the same. But everything comes pre-cut, and it also tells me what I should expect in here. So fabric A, and you have to always reference back to your thing, for me is the polka dot. So I happen to have these little alphabetties handy. All right, guys, I am done with this block. It looks just like what it's supposed to. Yay me. This is block 6. I have 2 of them. So we are done with this. I'm gonna add it to the wall. And that's it for this month on this. Thanks for hanging out with me. I'll see you soon. Have a great day.